What is up? If you're watching this, that means you got another day. Let's add this to the list of sick cars that come to pick me up in front of my house. I love it because I can literally hear my friends. They never have to text me because everybody drives exotic cars. It's about that time again. Ooh, this might be one of my favorite ones, guys. I heard you before I saw you. The 650S. What do you think, guys, in the comments? P1 front end and P412C back end. It's the perfect combination of the McLaren. Wow. There it is. What do you guys think? 650, I'd say of the McLarens is probably one of the better looking ones. The 720S is definitely overrated. You guys have to follow Michael here. Michael is one of two of the creators behind the Longtail Rally, which is a rally we're going to be going to the end of April. Want more details on that and why it's going to be the sickest rally in 2021. I'm going to link their website at the very top of the description below, guys. Click that, check it out. 59 supercars and 1 Roush Mustang. We'll see you there. Love it. I have a giant canvas painting of a white 458 in my room that I just acquired like years ago. I didn't even like Ferrari that much. I definitely didn't like the 458. Now that I'm like 3-4 years into staring at it, I like want a white 458. It is like my favorite Ferrari. So if you really want something, hang it up in your room. Make it real. Or you can get a white Sierra. Oh, he wants to race. Anybody in the following that has even a reasonably fast car or just a flashy one like mine, do people come up next to you on the freeway and try to race you in their very entry level like commuter cars? Does that happen to you? Because it happens to us like all the time. What is up, guys? We're over here at McLaren Newport. Now, as there is a very special car hanging out over the corner we're going to talk about in a second, I want to show you guys the showroom first, and then we're going to go over some of the specs and why we drove like an hour plus from Hollywood all the way over to Newport just to see one car. If you take a look, we got some really nice looking McLarens and a little Bugatti hanging out over in the corner here. This is the 620R. This is basically like the track version of your 570. There's a 458 Special hanging out over here in the corner, which is spec'd out exactly how I do this car. The 458 Special, I know we talked about the 458 earlier in the vlog. Gotta be my favorite Ferrari out there, 458, and definitely the Special is like the better version of that in my opinion. And of course, a Bugatti. Come on, Strad, man. You can do this. Dude, that's the Chiron. Look at the interior of this thing. One of the few hypercars I have yet to ever drive or be inside yet. We shot our first Bugatti with Strad, man. I think that vlog is coming up probably after this one. We got to show you guys the car that we came down here for. All right, guys, here we go. The Artura. We haven't assigned a year to it yet, so I don't know if it's a 21 or a 22, what they're doing, but these allocations are starting to come in. You can find 3 of them on their way to McLaren Newport, so if you want to see some more of them, they're coming this way. Look at this rear end design. Very similar to the Chiron over there hanging out in the corner with just like loads of black and kind of like the design of the lights. This is a V6. So all you haters out there that says everything that's cool has to have a V8, yet another car that is crushing life in a V6. But this is a hybrid. This thing's putting down some crazy numbers. We're able to do 0 to 60 in only 3 seconds in this car, which is just barely slower than my Mustang. And then we've got a top speed of about 205 miles an hour, which is also barely below my Mustang. And then we have about 671 horsepower. That is higher than my Mustang, but not by much. No, this car is a supercar in every sense of the word, and it honestly kind of reminds me a little bit of the C8 when you look at it from the side, which is just where they've got the engine sitting and the lines, especially that vent on the side and everything gives me C8 vibes, but it's got that McLaren touch. The headlights here kind of look very similar to the 720S over there, and then the signature butterfly doors. Here's the interior. Very similar to the 600s and the 650s, the way that they have the dash there. We've got the touch screen in the center, the suede bucket type seats. I wonder how well this car does on the track, or if it's more of a cruising car. I'm just by looking at the way that it's designed, I want to say track car all the way. We're not going to be able to start this thing up or drive it anywhere. I don't even think this one has even a single mile on it. They just got it this morning. But if you want to check it out, it's going to be on display at McLaren Newport, guys. This is a sick car and it's in a gorgeous color. Really sick cars in this showroom too. Bet you guys didn't see the Senna. Yeah, gotcha. Okay. So the coolest
things I found, the seating positions, kind of sending you upwards.
I'm too bored to figure this out.
For your handling. And on the right,
I have the key. They gave me the key. This one? Key, they gave me the key. Is it the top button? Does this even unlock?
It's not even working.
Oh, this doesn't even, they gave me a prop. Okay, see, yeah. Wow, you just touch it and it goes. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Look, they got everything up here on the dashboard.
Yep, it's all up here on the dash now.
Drive, neutral, reverse down there. Very simple. Paddles on this? Yeah, you got carbon fiber paddles.
Oh, yeah.
And then, is this the vents for the air, I guess? Like hidden in there? It has, I feel like it has slightly more room than your 650 that we
It
rode
does
down
feel
there.
just a little bit bigger,
Just
but you got this room back here.
Oh, look at all that fancy trunk space up there. Carbon fiber right there. You got carbon fiber there. All over the steering wheel.
Anybody that thinks McLaren doesn't have quality,
This is nice.
very mistaken.
This is, what is that, like laser edged?
Aluminum.
Yeah. Should we bring this car on the Longtail Rally?
We could.
Just haggle them in the comments, guys. Okay, just get one more McLaren. This will be your third one in the garage, right? Yeah,
one more. Who's counting?
One more. Yeah, they said it was $225,000 for this car, which is surprising. A right out the gate, brand new model McLaren to be just barely over 200 grand is actually really impressive. So I guess from what they told us, they're going to be making a lot of these. Okay, well that pretty much does it for today's vlog. We're not going to be taking out this car today, but maybe on the rally if you guys haggle enough in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bell. I am shooting for 10,000 subscribers, so make sure that you're one of them. We will be on that Longtail Rally April 24th through May 1st, right? So if you're interested in going on the rally, you can DM me directly on Instagram, or you can click that link in the description below. If you're a brand that would like to be affiliated with the rally, I would also love to hear from you. So please send me a DM. If you know somebody that might have a brand, let me know and I will hook you up, guys. Please make sure you go follow Longtail Rally. I will be working very, very closely with these guys because they are doing some sick stuff in 2021. I will catch you guys at the next episode. Peace.
I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. No, you lie to me. It's only right.